friends are happily driving the bumper cars and chasing each other. Suddenly, there comes the evil...
Nobody wants to play with me! I just come for the troublemaking witch's magic! Flick!
Oh no! A lot of You need to complete the challenge within required number of steps. It is the last step. If it doesn't work with one more drag, you will fail. Bumper cars of the same color can be merged. Keep going. Remember that they have to be bumper cars of the same color. Wow! The bumper cars have disappeared! Bumper cars have been removed in a row! Wow! The bumper cars have changed the color! Wow! All the bumper cars of the same color have disappeared! witch with the bumper car of the same color as hers. The witch can only be got rid of when her health bar is empty. Keep...
I am angry and gonna punish you all! I will be back!
You are awesome!